This is our projectile launch project by Davis Ball and Jordan Spillers. Our project question.
A tennis ball is bounced at a 65-degree angle and is in the air for 1.8 seconds. How high did the ball go? What was its initial velocity? How far did it go? Is that too fast for you? Here it is, slowed down and drawn out for you alternative.
To find out how high the ball went, we use the formula xf equals 1/2 at squared. Alright, the first step we did in order to solve this problem is that we plugged in 9.8 for a, because that is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. And then we plugged in 0.9 seconds, which was half the total time it was in the air, and then we squared it. So then our final answer came out to 3.9 meters high. Okay, so now that we found out that the height of the ball was 3.9 meters, we're going to find the initial velocity.
In order to find the initial velocity, you will take 8.8 divided by the sine of 65 in your calculator, which will come out to be 9.7 meters per second.
Alright, so what we're going to do next is we're going to find the vertical launch velocity, and to find that we're going to use the formula A equals change in velocity over time. So we're going to set 9.8, which is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth, equal to the velocity over 0.9, which was the half time that the object took to get into the air. So after solving the equation, we found out that the vertical launch velocity was 8.8 meters per second.
Next, we're going to find the horizontal launch velocity. To do that, we're going to use the trig function cosine. The equation we used was cosine 65 equals x over 9.7. You're going to multiply 9.7 by the cosine of 65, which gives an answer of a horizontal velocity of 4.1 meters per second.
Alright, so far we found out how high the ball went, we found its initial velocity, we found its launch velocity, and we found its horizontal velocity. Now the final step is determining how far the ball went. Alright, so in order to find out how far the ball traveled, we took its horizontal velocity, which was 4.1 meters per second, and multiplied it by 1.8 seconds, which was the total time the ball was in the air. After solving this equation, we determined that the total distance the ball traveled was 7.4 meters. The end.